Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use formula questions in Canvas Classic quizzes. For starters, you'll need to build a quiz, and you can watch an earlier video for how to do that. And then you'll start setting up the questions. You'll notice that there are many different question choices, and it always defaults to multiple choice. So for this, we're going to click the multiple choice drop-down menu, scroll down, and click Formula Question. Now the formula question is pretty nifty because it lets you use variables that will automatically be filled in with numerical numbers so that students will have different questions in front of them, and then you can really see if they understand a concept or not. What's neat too is that you can use this in many different ways, including story problems. So I'm going to go ahead and write a very basic story problem so you can see how this works. There are, and then the key here is that we use brackets. So there are X, we'll say horses in the field. There are, and then again, we'll put a variable in brackets here. There are Y horses in the barn. How many horses altogether? Perfect. Now here's the weird part. You actually have to click outside of this box before Canvas recognizes what you're doing, even though we've already told it it's a formula question. But once you click outside of the box, then we start having more options here. So we're able to set minimum and maximum values for these variables. So, depending on what concept you're practicing, maybe we want digits in the hundreds or something. Okay, so minimum 100, maximum 999. We got a lot of horses going on here. Maybe there's far fewer in the barn. I don't know. So in the barn, we can have between 50 and 99 horses. Okay. And then what Canvas does here is it's going to show you two values, and you can see, are these in my range? And yes, they are. So we've got 127 and 50. Now we need to tell it the formula definition, because Canvas isn't going to automatically recognize that this is a problem where we're just adding up numbers of horses. So our formula is X plus Y, and then we're going to save that. And then we can check these numbers here. So it computed 127 plus 84. We can make sure that the result is correct. Notice on the formula I did not use brackets. That's only in the problem itself. And then we can tell it how many different possible solutions we want it to have. And you can have as many as 200. So it can get huge, right? And we can just, maybe we don't need that many. Maybe we need 25, whatever. And then if you need a margin of error for whatever reason, you can add that in as well. So we'll click generate, and then it will come up with a list of all 25 possible solutions that students could get. So here they are, and you can scroll through, and if you needed to edit these, you certainly could change it or go back and change anything else. We're going to click update the question, and now we see we have this formula question on our quiz. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.